Jai Swaminarayan student. So in the previous video series we have started about the file handling, where we have seen the various file, where we have seen the how to create the file, how to start the open the file. We have started the working on the text file only now. Binary file I will tell you afterwards. So in the last we have seen for how to open a file. So for that we have created one file object, and through that file object we started with the open function, where we are giving the location of the file. The location of the file should be of two types, relative and the absolute location. Okay, so let's move further for the file reading method. So there are the three methods to read a data from the file. First is the readline method, then readlines method, and the read method. So readline will return a line read. Okay, actually it return a single line. So as a string from the file, first call to function will return the first line, second call next line, and so on. So file object dot readline, it is a syntax for this readline method, so it will return the single line. Okay, then for example, see this example. First one notes.txt file here created, where I have written as the Python is a programming language, it is very good language for beginners, it is a case sensitive language. Okay, so first create a text file, where we have saved this file name notes.txt. After that we here the function we have used, that is definition, define main function. Then in the open we are write that notes.txt, so it means that file is saved under the Python folder. Then we call the function. So f.readline we are using here. So first, by default, the first line it will read, that is a Python is a programming language. So readline will return only the one line from a file, but post.txt containing three lines of the text. Okay, so in this way readline return only the single line. Next is the read lines. So read lines can be used to read the entire content of the file. You need to be careful while using it with respect to size of memory required before using the function. Okay, so this method will return a list of string is separated by /n. An example, for example, file object dot the read lines. So इसमें कैसे रहेगा, जैसे रीड लाइन्स हम जब यूज़ करते हैं तो जो भी फाइल रहेगी उसके अंदर का जो भी डेटा रहेगा दैट शुड बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्ट्रिंग, एंड दैट इज़ विद द सेपरेटेड comma. So see, in this way it will create a string, and inside the list it will create, that is Python is a programming language, that is the first string. Okay, then /n indicate that is a new line character, then it is very good language, that is another string. So all these strings should be contained inside the list. So readlines method will return a list of string and which is separated by /n. Next is the read method. Read method is used to read the entire file. Okay, so file object dot read, whenever we are written, so it return the exile file. So the content of the file should be written in the read function. So in this way, this is one of the example where I have mentioned the one function should be here, define main function, where we have write the open notes.txt and we started with the read function. So we will get answer this way. So entire content will be displayed using this read method. So these are the three read operators should be there: read, readline, and readlines. Then read size method is also there. So read can be used to read specific size string from a file. This function also return a string read from the file. Okay, so read function, so read size. For example, f.read, when we will read the single byte or character from a file. So read 1, it will gives you just like this. Okay, then writing into file. Writing into file, a program writes into text or binary file from the hard disk. So let's start with one by one. So there are two methods, write methods and the write lines method. So in the write method, for sending data in file, to create write in the file, write and write lines method can be used. So write method takes a string, okay, as a parameter, write it in the file. For storing data with the end of line character, you will have to add /n character to end of the string. So see, in this example, define one function is defined, that is file handle, f equal to open test1.txt, then access mode should be w here. Okay, when we write f.write here, this is my first program on file handling, and print is file is created, and then it should be mandatory we have to close the file once the file is created. So let's take the output of this. So in this way answer will be generated, that is file is created. And once you open that file, so the data should be overwrite there. That is, this is my first program on the file handling. This is another one example which is based for the write method. You can check by using compiler, Python compiler. You can start with the with Python ID, then you will get the output. Then write line method, for writing a string at a time we use the write method. It cannot be used for writing the list or tuple into a file. Okay, so sequence data type can be written using the write line. Sequence data types just like list, okay, tuples. So it is not that we cannot write a string using write line method. Its syntax is file object dot write lines then sequence. So let's see. So whenever we have to write a sequence of string or data type, we will use write line instead of write. So see, this is one example. App equal to open w, then string hello world slash, this is my first line handling program. I am using the Python language. Then write line, यहाँ पे हमने string पास किया है. तो इसको आप रन करके देखो तो यू विल गेट दी आउटपुट. सो सिंपली इसमें क्या होगा, जैसे हमने स्ट्रिंग दिया है यहाँ पे हेलो वर्ड, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट लाइन पर आई एम यूजिंग द पाइथन लैंग्वेज एफ राइट लाइन डॉट स्ट्रिंग. तो ये जो पूरी स्ट्रिंग है सीक्वेंस मैनर में हमें फाइल के अंदर दिखेगी, दैट इज test2.txt. ओके, जस्ट डू इट टू दिस प्रोग्राम वंस and whatever query you have, you just ask me in the comment box. Hope you understand this method. In the next method we will start with the random access methods, where we are going to see various random access method, that is 6 method and tail method. Okay, then we will see how to start with the binary file. So thank you and Jai Swaminarayan.